just drop.
Oh.
Very good.
Wow, that was loud.
That was a big one. Same thing here. And just drop here. Beautiful.
Wow.
Awesome. Some good release on that one.
Wow, I feel that all the way down too. It's great. Yes. Am I off?
Just a little bit. So this right side's really tight. So that's where you might be feeling a lot of that pressure coming down that left side there.